Hi, I'm John Hazzard, and for me, it's all about food. I'm home relaxing this evening and I thought I'll have one of my favorite cocktails, which is a Cosmopolitan. And I thought I would share how to make this cocktail with you. It's very simple. It's pretty much just vodka, citron or lime vodka, which is what I have here. We have Cointreau. If you don't have Cointreau, you can use triple sec, cranberry juice, and just the juice of a wedge of a lime. And then of course we need ice. And we also need a Boston shaker as well too. So let's just go ahead and make this. It's very, very simple, nothing complicated whatsoever. And I also have a Martini Glass, which is what I'm going to use. So we're going to start first with 1 ounce of vodka. 1 ounce of vodka. Pour that right inside there. And it's equal parts of all these ingredients. It's 1 ounce of Cointreau. So 1 ounce of this as well. And I love the flavor and the smell of this. That's that one. And then we're going to do 1 ounce of cranberry juice. 1 ounce of this. Good. And then we're going to do a little lime juice. I'm just going to cut some lime in half. Put it half back. Let's put this into my lime squeezer. And we're going to squeeze a bit of lime juice right inside here, which is more like ½ ounce of lime juice. Okay, that's completed. Push that there. And we're going to pour this right in here as well too. And then we're going to take some ice. Ice is very important when making cocktails. Let's just put the ice in here. Just getting some more ice. This is really important in the dilution of the actual cocktail. Pour this all in here. We seal it, and then now we shake. I think that's good. Then we're gonna, I'm still not the best at this, but we're gonna get this off. So that's our drink. Then we're gonna go ahead now and put on our Hawthorne strainer, and we're going to strain this into our glass. And this is a Martini glass. Oh, that looks delicious. Okay, that's that. And then the wonderful thing about this beverage as well is we're gonna cut a bit of orange skin for garnish. Just gonna cut a nice piece, really close to the pith. I don't really wanna have any flesh in there. Let me just kind of square this up a bit. So it's a really nice garnish. Good. Just clean this up. And then I'm gonna take my, just make a little cut in there. I'm gonna take my lighter, and we're just gonna flame this skin a bit. Oh, if I can get it worked. As you can tell, I'm not really a smoker. I'm gonna just drop that in there. And that is our Cosmopolitan. Very, very simple. Again, 1 ounce of vodka, 1 ounce of Cointreau, 1 ounce of cranberry juice, ½ ounce of lime juice, and I shook it in the Boston shaker, poured it into my Martini glass. I flamed my orange skin, and we have our Cosmopolitan. Cheers. Let's just taste the drink. Oh, that is absolutely amazing. Really flavorful, and it needs no sugar whatsoever. So if you've enjoyed this video, please go ahead and like, subscribe, ring the bell. And again, I'm John Hazzard, And for me, it's all about food, and today was all about the Cosmopolitan. See you next time on All About Food.